Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the micro-filter or cabin filter on a 2025 BMW iX. You're going to find it located on the passenger side underneath this panel. You won't need any tools to replace the micro-filter on this car, and the parts will be linked down in the description with the part number as well from BMW. So this is the part number from BMW 64115A30A93. You're going to start off with two twist tabs, one here on the left, turn it counterclockwise. It's not going to come out, but you can see that it's loose. And over on the right side, we're going to do the same thing, twist it down, and now the whole panel can come right off. You're going to have one wire with two clips. Remove the clip here, further up, and then remove the connector for the light. Just remove this and put it to the side. Now underneath, you're going to find the microfilter housing with three bigger clips. It's these circles here. You're going to turn them counterclockwise. You're going to listen for 2 clicks. 2 clicks means it's fully disengaged, and if you look closely, you can actually see the indents. So in this position here, that's fully disconnected. You have the middle one for 1 click, and then this position over here on the front is fully closed. So just go ahead and remove the other 2. The housing will now come down. Just pull this panel and just lay it to the side. And now you're going to pull the microfilter out. Pay attention to the airflow direction. This airflow arrow is pointing towards the cabin, not the front of the vehicle. So when we reinstall the new filter, make sure the arrow is pointing in the same direction. This one here, pointing towards the cabin again. Slide it all the way up, and now we can bring the cover on over. You're just going to position it to where it was before, and you're going to pay attention to the white seal around the cover here. You just want to make sure it's seated down all the way before you actually try to put the clips back in. So you're going to hold it with one hand, and you can twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Once you have one, it will hold itself up. You see the position here is in the locked position, and we're going to do that to the other 2. That right there, that's the locked position. Now that the 3 clips are reinstalled, you're going to have 2 anchors here on the panel. Those are going to slide into the slots over here on the left side, and one over here on the right. They're not too difficult to aim, but before you aim those in, make sure you put in the connector for the light and reconnect the clips. Here you see the anchor on the left, anchor on the right. You just aim them forward and bring the panel up. And now you're going to look over to the locking tab here. This one here is going to go into this little slot right here. So that's what you're going to aim for when you're lifting up the panel. Once it's up, clockwise to lock it into place. It'll hold itself. And now same thing on the right side. Bring the panel up, lock it in place, count clockwise, and that's pretty much it. Next, you're just going to vacuum all this up. But that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2025 BMW iX. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.